Hello, and thank you for joining us. During this tutorial, we will show you how to edit and personalize your main request page. This will help to provide you with the information that you need relative to your individual position. Please be sure to include all options necessary according to your individual unit's policies and procedures. To begin, start on the CBO's ServiceNow homepage. In the menu on the left-hand side of the page, select All Requests. This will cause the list of requests to open. If you look across the top of the page, you will see column headers. This is the information that we will be personalizing. To adjust these headers, begin by locating the gear icon in the top left corner. When your cursor hovers over the gear, you will see the words Personalized List appear. Click the gear icon. This will make a box appear that says Personalized List Columns at the top, with two columns underneath it. The first column on the left side of your page is labeled Available. This column contains what heading options are available for personalization on the search page. The column on the right is labeled Selected. This shows the headings that are currently selected to be displayed on your page. To change and personalize what is being displayed, first click the option from the Available column on the left so that it is highlighted. In this example, I have selected Description. Once the selection has been highlighted, hover over the top arrow in between the columns that points to the right. You will see a bubble pop up that says Add. Click on that arrow. When you do this, you will now see your selection populate at the bottom of the Selected column. Continue this step for all the available options you would like to select. Once you have added your desired options to the selected column on the right, you can now adjust in what order they will appear on your screen by moving the selections up or down your list. You can do this by clicking the up or down arrows located to the right of the selected field. The items listed will appear on your screen from left to right. This means the items at the top of your list will appear first on the left side of your page, and those toward the bottom will appear farther to the right on your search page. If you need to remove an option from the selected column, you can click on the item. For example, here I've selected Description. Then click the arrow pointing left in between the two columns. If you hover your cursor over this arrow, you will see a pop-up that says Remove. Click on the arrow. The highlighted item from the selected column on the right will now be moved to the Available column on the left. You will notice there are other options for personalization located under the columns. To enable these items, you will click the box next to each selection. Once selected, a blue check mark will show next to the options that have been selected. To change one of these options, click the check mark and the check will disappear, causing the item to no longer be active or displayed on your page. Once you have made all your selections for personalization, click the blue OK button in the bottom right corner. You will now see the options you selected for personalization displayed on your search page. Please remember, you can always contact the CBO helpline for assistance from one of our program associates by calling 919-515-4CBO. That number is 919-515-4226. Please watch the other tutorials for step-by-step instructions on how to utilize the different resources available to you within this portal.